Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to get the perfect Leonardo AI image by using prompt. So whenever you use Leonardo AI and you use the prompts to get an image, but you don't get the good result. Sometimes the quality isn't great or whatever you're expecting, whatever is in your mind, you don't get that in the results. So in this video, I'll show you how easily you can create the best images with the help of prompt, like how you can improve the prompts to get the best results from Leonardo AI. So first you have to open a browser. Here I'm using Google Chrome, but you can go with any browser of your choice. Once a browser is on you, there you just have to simply search for Leonardo AI, or you can also find its link in the description below. If you're going with the search, you have to go with this first link, and after that you will get to its website. Once you get there, you will see this interface. This is how its website looks. This is kind of its first interface. You have to click onto this option, launch app, so you can launch its app and start creating images. So if you don't have login or sign up, then first it will ask you, but if you have, so then it would not ask and will take you to this page. And here you can see we have a lot of different options, different kind of artworks that people have created, and you can also create something like this. So either you can use any one of these ideas and you can replicate it by your own prompt, and if you want to create it from scratch, then you have to choose these option image creation. There are two different options. You can go with any one of these, and both of them are same. Once you click, so you will get to this page where you have to create your images. So here you can see we have different options. We first have some of the example. At the top you can see these are the prompts written up here, and at the bottom we have these images, which is actually the result. So these are the prompts that were used, and these are the images that are created with the help of these prompts. So you can get an example or an idea that how it works. So in the prompt, you just have to explain what you want to create. The more you go in detail, the more you type more about the image, your idea, your creation, the better image you get. The more you go in detail, you talk about little things, the better you get the results. Let's say you have an idea to create an image with raining and a boy's dancing. So you don't have to explain like a boy dancing in the rain. You have to explain every detail, like what's in the background, either the boy is in the park, home, or maybe somewhere else. What kind of clothes the kid is wearing, the age of that person, maybe it's a kid or a grown-up person, and what kind of rain it is. It's a heavy storm or maybe normal rain, and are there any other stuff that you want. You just have to explain, and then you get the best results. Right now I want to create an image of a white cat that is climbing on a tree, and that tree is of apple. There are many different apples on it, and it's kind of a forest or jungle. So this is what I want to create, and as you can see, I'm going with the details. You also have to do the same thing. The better you write, the better you get the result. This is a simple rule. You just have to keep that in mind. And once I have written that all, you will see that how depth and detail I have written and what results I get. Let's say you have written very much in detail but you still don't get the good result, then you can just retry and just focusing on what things are not good in the prompt, so you can just improve that, and by the end of it you will definitely get a good result of the images. As you can see, I have mentioned the color of the cat, its eyes, and what kind of tree it is, and where it is right now on the tree. I have also talked about the background, like what kind of background I need. You can also mention the aspect ratios, different kind of styles, like you want the pixel one, you want anime, you want realistic, you want sketch, or you want something cartoonish. Or you can also explain the quality if you want it in 4K, 8K, or maybe you just need it in HD. You can also talk about it. So here you can see I have given the aspect ratio of 16 by 9, and if you would like to change, so on the left side we have other options. You can also choose it from there, but if you want to write, you can also do so. So as you can see, I'm done with this all. That's how you have to explain in detail whatever you want to create. Once you do so, you just have to simply generate the image. So as you can see on the right side of the prompt, we have this option generate. You just have to simply click onto it, and after that it will start generating these images. Right now it is brainstorming on the instruction that we have given it in the form of prompt, and once it's done we will see the result. While on the left side, you can see we have some other options. I will use it in the next prompt when we create another image. But for now, I have only gone with the prompt simply. But later on, we will see how these options work. So as you can see, these images are created and you can see some of them are really great. Like this one looks really good, but this one isn't good because the cat is in the air. There's no something behind it. And this one is also not good, but two of them are really good. So you can get an idea. If you get in detail, you get the good results, but if not, so you can just simply try again. And now we have all these options on the left. You can also use them. So first I'm just gonna remove this prompt, and now I'm just gonna with something different. This time I just want a person riding a bike, and there's kind of mountain behind it. The person is using a sports bike, so I just want this in my image, so therefore I'm typing it. So here I am done with the prompt, and now move to these options. There are different kind of image dimensions you can use. You can also use a generation mode. Either you want it fast or maybe you want it to focus on the quality. Then here we have these different options, like you can choose what kind of style you want. You want anime, you want realistic, or maybe any other kind of style. Whatever style you prefer, you can just simply choose one. And there are other options you can also choose, like in advanced settings you can choose the negative prompt. In negative prompt you can just simply type the things that you don't want, like bad quality, irregular body, and if there's specific that thing you don't want, you can also mention it here. And once you're done with your negative prompt, you can just simply click onto this option generate, and after that it will start generating the images. And here are the results. You can see this is what we have created with the help of prompt, and these works really good. So that's how you can create Leonardo AI images with the help of prompt. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Thank you for watching the video.